If you're trying to eat healthier, count calories, or just stay on top of your nutrition, this little gadget might make your life a lot easier. I've been using the Etekcity Smart Nutrition Scale, and honestly, it's become one of my favorite kitchen tools. First off, it's not just a regular scale. This thing connects to the VE-Sync app, which syncs with Apple Health and Fitbit. You can scan barcodes or search for foods, and it'll instantly pull up 19 different nutrition facts: calories, protein, carbs, fat, you name it. It's a real game changer if you're tracking macros or managing your diet. The build quality is also really solid. It's made of 304 stainless steel, feels premium, and it's even IPX6 water resistant, so spills aren't a big deal. I also love that it's USB rechargeable, meaning no more messing with batteries. The LED display is bright and easy to read, and it handles everything from a few grams to 22 pounds, which is great whether you're baking or prepping meals for the week. Now, it's not perfect. The app does have a bit of a learning curve at first, and occasionally, the Bluetooth connection can lag for a second, but once you get the hang of it, it's super smooth. Overall, I'd give the Etekcity Smart Food Scale a 9 out of 10. It's accurate, convenient, and surprisingly smart for the price. If you're serious about tracking your food or just want to cook with more precision, this is absolutely worth it. You can check it out for yourself. Link is in the description.